could you be the one? Shh.
Ferrer Sibs Vlogs presents Aquanauts. I was really inspired by the aquarium setup of most fish hobbyists and bloggers. Just recently, I watched Canada aquarium setup and was left in awe. So I decided to start with our journey in creating an aquarium setup from what we have and possibly I can buy with what I can save. Here is our first episode. Calcium buildup?
What?
Watermarks? It is really an eyesore for most fish owners, and it is really hard to remove. So let us go over this video and get some tips and tricks to possibly remove this pesky aquarium eyesore. Here is our aquarium that, yes, has been neglected for the past months. We are really sorry. We all know and well aware that the fishes here might be stressed and possibly being poisoned by their own poop due to the ammonia levels in the water. That is the more reason why we want to clean the aquarium and give them a peaceful and quiet place. Look at that dirt. I'm really sorry for our fishes and really thankful they endured this dirty aquarium. So come on, let's get started. Before doing this vlog, I watched several videos and found some helpful tips. Here are some of the things that we can use to clean our aquarium. We will be needing vinegar, scrubber, blade or scraper, and cleaner. I bought this on Shopee for 450 pesos. Yes, in 11/11. We all love some discount, do we? The original price of this cleaner is 650 pesos. And yes, it is a bit pricey, but since we neglected our aquarium, we want to spoil them a bit. For those who are wondering where I bought the cleaner, it is from ishopbiz. They have the cheapest bar cleaner in Shopee. I will put it on the description box for you guys to check them out. Also, most YouTubers I watched use this cleaner. So, I got curious and want to show you guys how effective this cleaner is. It is used in removing those tough dirt, poops, and soft calcium buildup. One of the most effective cleaners for watermarks and calcium buildup is the infamous barkeeper's friend. Let's put this out first. I also bought this water siphon and grapple or pebble cleaner in Shopee for 125 pesos. Since I do not have enough money to top up Shopee Pay, I didn't have free shipping. I already talked too much and you might already be bored hearing my voice. So, there we go. Let's get cleaning. First, let's take those decorations out and drain the water from the aquarium. Look at that dirt! Yikes! Let's also remove the top filter and take those fishes. Look at that. It's like a flood water. Since the water is already low, we should take the pebbles out too. Then, remove the remaining water so that you can slowly put the aquarium down. Now, take the cleaner and put a good amount on the scrubber that you'll use to soften the calcium buildup and remove the dirt on the aquarium. When cleaning the aquarium, make sure that you are not putting so much pressure on the scrubber as it will scratch the aquarium glass. And I must say, Barkeeper is really an effective cleaner and live up to our expectation. The cleaner will soften the calcium buildup and dirts in the aquarium for our next step. We put some cleaner powder in the rim too, and let it soak for a minute or two so that it will soften the buildup there when we finally scrub it. Next step is pour some vinegar in the calcium buildup and make sure that you leave it for about 5 minutes so that it will seep on the buildup and loosen it so that you can use a blade or a scraper to gently remove the remaining dirt and calcium on the glass.
What?
Let's rinse the aquarium. Wow! I never thought that these steps would be this effective. This aquarium is a hand-me-down from one of our neighbors and maybe 3 to 4 years old already, or maybe more. Please don't mind the scratch as this is an old aquarium. It was already there when we got it, so a big reminder, do not put so much pressure on scrubbing the glass as it might end up like this. For the final step, make sure that the cleaner residue is removed from the aquarium and rinse it well so that any dirt or the powder residue will be gone. Before we show the final look of our aquarium, here is our storage area that we also cleaned so we can put the aquarium in a good and quiet place for our fishes. Curious on how this is cleaned? See this time lapse of how we clean the area. Enjoy! Now, get some clean towels and wipe the aquarium. Let it dry, and we are done. You can see here the previous pictures of our aquarium. Look at the aquarium now. If you find this video fun and helpful, please hit that like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Smash that notification bell too so that you'll be notified of our next videos. Don't forget to love our pets. Until our next video, bye!